Stop! Did you know that there's a better way to use Twitter? Instead of going through journal requests and scrolling through miles and miles and miles of tweets, there is a better way to use Twitter for your PR purposes. All you have to do is go to tweetdeck.twitter.com and you get a tool like this. I'm Linnea from the Pearl Lemon PR team, and I'm going to show you how to use TweetDeck for your PR purposes. So first of all, you're going to sign in to your Twitter account, and then you're going to, through TweetDeck, and that'll give you something like this. And then you're going to click Add Column, and then click Search. The first thing that we're going to do is add hashtag journal request. Journal request is often used by journalists or people who are looking for experts to comment on a story and do a whole bunch of things. So we're going to go add journal request. Now, as it stands, journal request is very tedious to sort through, but because of TweetDeck, you can click this button right here, and you can click on these icons, and you can tweak your results. So first of all, we're going to exclude retweets, and we're also going to tweet author and make sure that all of ours are coming from verified users. You can tweak these settings however you want, but that's how I like to do it. And then even further, if you want to sort them even more, you can even sort through the engagement rate by adding or subtracting data, so that only certain things pop up for you, whatever is best for you. You can even geolocate and click on location and say, hey, you know what? I only want things from the United Kingdom. And then you can narrow your searches by doing that, and you can find more results catered for you. But right now, we're going to remove that. Anything that you put into the TweetDeck saves automatically, so the next time you enter, you can have it to be the settings that you need it to be. That way you're not wasting time sifting through Twitter and trying to find the best results. You already have them. We are also going to add another column, and this time we're going to call it hashtag PR request. PR request is basically an alternative to journal request. And we can obviously sort through this one as well and do the same thing and make sure that's from verified users. But also what we can do is we can add another column and click mentions. So we're going to have, there's two different versions of mentions. We can have it be a column for just us. We can add the column. But we can also do it to where we do mentions all accounts. And if you have more than one account logged in, it'll mention all of the accounts. But right now we don't need that. Right now what we want to do is we want to add another mention. And this time we're going to want to add Pearl Lemon. So here's Pearl Lemon. We're going to add that so that we can also see who is mentioning our company. If you are a person who works for a specific company, then you can search your specific company's Twitter account to make sure that you can see who is mentioning your Twitter account. You can also do other accounts as well. So let's say you wanted to see who's mentioning Forbes for whatever reason. Then you can do that. There's so many ways that you can use TweetDeck. You can also add another column, and there's a lot of different things that you can do. You can add the home, you can add a user, you can add notifications. I like to add notifications just so I can see who is mentioning me. You can even add your messages, and so you can see all the things that are being sent to you. And then there's all sorts of different ways that you can sort through TweetDeck. TweetDeck is so useful because you don't need to have like 10 different tabs open and tabbing back and forth. You can just see them all right here. You can say, hey, you know what? I need to find some journal requests, and you know what? I only want to see things that mention business. And now it's there. And you don't have to go through any more tabs. You don't have to keep searching through. It's a very good way of finding the best sources for you without wasting your time.